The following portion of Daytime is sponsored on behalf of the Laser Masters LLC by Tammy Patzer.
Back and neck pain, carpal tunnel, and joint arthritis are just a few conditions that you can treat with laser therapy. This is a non-surgical, drug-free option for pain management and recovery. And here to tell us more is Dr. Robert Hannapole. He is a chiropractor with ReliefNow Laser Methods. Doctor, welcome.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Thank you for being here. Tell us more about regenerative laser therapy. How does this provide a different approach to treating pain?
Sure. Well, regenerative laser therapy really is all about a non-drug, non-surgical approach to healthcare, because we have a real crisis in this country. We have the opiate crisis. We have too many risks and too many side effects of the typical pharmacological and surgical approach to healthcare.
Tell us how it works. In other words, on a cellular level, what is happening in your body as you're receiving this therapy?
Well, you and I and everybody else is made up of about 50 trillion cells. Areas where you have chronic injury, those cells aren't functioning optimally. The cells of the body are actually batteries of the body, and they produce energy. So the laser penetrates very deep to those cells, and through a photochemical reaction, it creates more cellular metabolism and creates energy. It allows the area to heal, repair, and regenerate.
You mentioned chronic illness. What types of conditions would benefit from this type of therapy?
All sorts of joint pain, okay? Shoulders, knees, ankles, feet, shoulders, hands, wrists, things like that. All type of lower back and neck problems, bulging discs, herniated discs, the pain associated with peripheral neuropathy. Laser helps to, again, regenerate, repair tissue, and helps to, really reduce the pain, swelling, and inflammation, that's caused.
What can a patient expect from a session at your centers?
The sessions are relatively quick. The laser is pretty much like an injection of energy versus an injection of chemistry. Okay, but when you're going to get an injection of chemistry, it takes 5 or 10 seconds. Unfortunately, the laser may take 5 or 10 minutes, but it's very soothing, it's very relaxing, and most patients actually ask me, oh, can you do more because it feels so good? I have to tell them, listen, if this was a needle injection, you wouldn't want me to leave the needle in there any longer, right?
Sounds like a spa treatment.
Yeah, exactly. It's very relaxing, and patients really do very well with the care.
And doctor, what do you see in the future of regenerative laser therapy?
I see it is the future, because right now we're moving from healthcare that's based upon chemistry to healthcare that's based on energy. And regenerative laser therapy is really at the forefront of energetic medicine.
And what kind of feedback have you had from the patients who've done it?
Terrific. I mean, we have so many patient testimonials. I wish I had the time to even show you some of these testimonials. I mean, patients, that had walkers and wheelchairs, that are doing better, and patients that, couldn't play tennis, they're now playing tennis, and golfers that can play golf, and grandparents that want to play with their children, your grandkids, are able to do it. It is the greatest thing that I've ever brought into my practice, and we have ReliefNow Laser Methods doctors all across the country, and a growing group of doctors that really want to help their patients to ditch the drugs and skip the scalpel.
I like that slogan. Dr. Hannapole, thank you. Hannapole.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And if you can visit ReliefNowLaser.com. We'll be right back.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored on behalf of the Laser Masters LLC by Tammy Patzer.